experience pain when driving? Drive with style with 4-inch steering wheel spinner knob. Driving has never been this easy and as enjoyable. To install, simply place the knob around your steering wheel, choosing between 1 or 2 pads for a snug fit. Tighten the bolt and you're ready to drive. The premium matte black design has quality silicone, making it easy to grip and makes for smooth handle steering. Have the driving experience you deserve.
This is Anton from Drive Stick Shift. Today we're doing a review of our BL steering wheel spinner. Now I have this on my K-Truck. I love this thing. This was not the first one I got, but definitely this was the one that I kept. What I was looking for when I was looking for one of these spinners, I want to make sure that it's not flimsy, that when I try to jerk it around, it doesn't wobble, because the last one frankly did that, which was annoying. Also at low speed, why I really wanted it for the K-Truck, I don't have this in any of my other cars. At low speed, without power steering, fighting the steering wheel by hand can be a little bit of a workout. With a steering wheel spinner, I find it's very easy to do. Here, controlling the wheel feels very intuitive and very natural. So again, if I'm at a low speed and I want to start making a turn already once I'm going, this makes the no power steering part of this equation not a concern in the least. Easy to install, came with all the hardware I needed, had a little coupling there too to make it easier so it didn't bite into the wheel. I recommend it.
Hey there, it's Catherine. Here we have a steering wheel knob. We're gonna install it and see how it works. So we're gonna untwist it here. I like these because they fit multiple sizes of steering wheels. So you get 2 parts, you can see. No tools required, which is nice. There's a little red dot there on this side that will align with this red arrow. So that's what we're aiming for to install it. So we'll align that with the opening and just put that on and screw it on. And there's silicone in here too, so that helps to compress and get it really tight and allow it to work with different size wheels as well. Or yeah, so there we go. Ooh, this is nice. I love how this feels. It has bearings in there, so that keeps it so it slides really easily. And it's made of this alloy material, so it won't rust and it'll hold up over time. So that's a really great feature on this. I really like this. It feels really good in my hand. So let's go for a little drive and see how it works. Oh yeah, this is great. Oh, super easy. I love how easy this is to use. Oh my gosh. Like this a lot. Oh, wow, yeah, this is easy. This is definitely cuts down on the effort it takes to steer. So if you're looking for something like this, you've got to check this out. I hope this review is helpful. Thanks for watching.
I got this for the boat, but then I tried it on my car and it's actually super cool. It's a tool-free steering wheel knob and it completely changes how your steering feels. You don't need any tools. It literally installs in a few seconds and you can take it off just as easily. It attaches right to your steering wheel and it lets you turn with one hand, and it's especially helpful for tight turns, parking, or backing up. It has metal bearings inside so it rotates really smoothly, and it's made of a mix of ABS and metal. So it's gonna hold up in the heat, cold, and everyday use. It really surprised me of how solid it feels. It's not loose or cheapy at all. It'd be especially helpful for tight turns, parking, or backing up, as opposed to the 10 and 2. And then it's just as easy to remove as it was to put on. You just unscrew the back and you're all set. Also note it's super adjustable. It will really fit any size steering wheel, wide or narrow. And lastly, it doesn't scratch or mark up your steering wheel at all.